In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Doc as PDF. Converting a document to PDF is a great way to preserve your formatting, make your file easy to share, and ensure it looks the same on any device. Whether you're sending a resume, a report, or a form, this quick process will give you a professional, ready-to-share file in just a few clicks. With your document open and ready, start by heading to the menu at the top left of the screen. Click File, then hover over Download. From the list that appears, choose PDF document noted as .pdf. This tells Google Docs to take what you're seeing on the page, text, images, headers, footers, page breaks, and package it into a portable file that keeps your layout intact. There's no need for any add-ons or extra software. This option is built right into Google Docs and works the same across major browsers. Next, your browser will prompt you to choose where to save the file on your computer. A save dialog will appear, letting you pick the folder that makes the most sense for you. Maybe your desktop for quick access, your documents folder to keep things organized, or a dedicated project folder. You'll also see the file name here. By default, it usually matches your document's title and ends with .pdf, so it's clear what type of file you're saving. Choose the location that fits your workflow so you can find it easily later. Finally, click Save. Your computer will create the PDF in the location you selected. Depending on your browser settings, you might also see a brief download indicator, or the file may appear in your downloads list. Either way, you now have a PDF version of your Google Doc that's ready to send, store, or upload wherever it's needed. A couple of helpful notes as you use this feature. The PDF reflects what you see in Google Docs, including fonts, spacing, margins, and images. So what you format in Docs is what you'll get in the final file. Live web links remain clickable within the PDF, and page breaks are preserved to keep your content neatly organized. If your document uses images or charts, they're embedded in the PDF so they display consistently on other devices. And that's it. Click File, choose Download, select PDF, pick your save location, and confirm. You've turned your Google Doc into a polished, shareable PDF in moments.